In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot Meeting Scheduler. This tool can streamline your scheduling process and make it easier for your team or clients to book meetings with you. Let's get started with a comprehensive walkthrough of setting up your first scheduling page in HubSpot. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Log In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page. Now, for a seamless experience, select the Sign in with Google option. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to choose the one associated with your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, it's time to access the Sales section. This is where the magic happens. On the HubSpot dashboard, locate the Sales tab and click on it. After that, you'll want to find the meeting scheduler within the options available and click on it to dive right into scheduling. Next, you'll see an option to create a new scheduling page. You'll want to click on Create Scheduling Page. From here, you'll be given different options for the type of scheduling page you can set up. Choose the one-on-one option. This is perfect for settings where individuals need to book time with you directly. Now, let's personalize this experience. You'll be asked to enter an internal name for your meeting. This name is crucial for keeping track of different meetings you might schedule. Once you've entered the internal name, the next step is to choose who will be the organizer of the meeting. Select the appropriate person from the list provided. With the organizer set, you'll then need to add an event title. The event title should represent the central theme or purpose of the meeting. Clear and descriptive titles work best to convey the meeting's intent. Moving forward, you'll want to add the location of the meeting. Whether it's a physical location or a virtual link, make sure it's clear for the attendees. Don't forget to include a description for your meeting. The description will provide attendees with additional context or instructions necessary prior to attending your meeting. Once all this information is in place, click on Next to proceed. Now it's time to choose the date and time you're available. Block the slots you wish to make available for booking. After selecting your date and time preferences, click Next again. Finally, to wrap it all up, click on the Create Scheduling Page button. And there you have it. Your scheduling page is set up and ready to go. With this tool, you'll save time and minimize back and forth emails to schedule meetings. Happy scheduling, and thanks for watching.